In this video, you will learn about the functionality of your BCPS issued Chromebook. Specifically, you will learn about the touchpad, the keyboard, including dedicated browser keys and special keys, and how to take screenshots. The touchpad on your Chromebook can be used for scrolling and swiping on a page. It also serves as your mouse. Watch this video to learn the difference between the touchpad on a Windows device versus a Chromebook.
The touchpad on a Chromebook behaves differently than that of an HP device. One of the major things you'll notice is that there is no traditional right-click area on the Chromebook. Other touchpad actions, however, remain the same. To click, press down on the lower half of the touchpad. Since tap to click is on by default, you can also quickly tap the touchpad to click. To scroll, place 2 fingers on the touchpad and move them up and down to scroll vertically, or left and right to scroll horizontally. To right-click, click the touchpad with 2 fingers, or hold the Alt key down while doing a single click.
Now that you understand how the touchpad works, we will look at the keyboard. The red box on the keyboard highlights some of the special keys located in the top row of your keyboard. Notice that there are no function keys on a Chromebook, but that instead there are several dedicated browser keys. Each key has a specific function. Using the dedicated browser keys for commonly used functions allows you to work quickly and efficiently. Take a look at the images on the screen along with the description of what each key means. To go to the previous web page, click the back arrow. To go to the next web page, click the front arrow. You can also click this button to reload your current page or maximize your window. This is called the switch key. That will switch you to your next window. You can decrease your screen brightness or increase your screen brightness. You can mute, decrease your volume, or increase your volume. There are also several combination keys called special keys that are frequently used to speed up your workflow. You may have noticed that a Chromebook does not have a caps lock key. If you click the Alt and Search key at the same time, that will give you caps lock. If you click the Alt and Backspace key at the same time, that will give you a delete key. If you click Control, Alt, and question mark at the same time, that will take you to a list of commonly used shortcut keys or special key combinations that will increase your workflow on the Chromebook. Taking full or partial screenshots is a good skill to know since your teacher will sometimes ask you to submit a screenshot for an assignment. This video demonstrates how to use dedicated browser keys on the keyboard to take a partial screen snip and a full screenshot, as well as where to find the screenshot once you have taken it. Remember, if you want to keep a screenshot, you will need to save it to your Google Drive.
The snipping tool is a frequently used feature to take screenshots on the HP Windows device. The Chromebook doesn't have a snipping tool like Windows does. However, there are still options to take full and partial screenshots. For screenshots, you will need to use the switch key, which looks like this. To take a screenshot of the entire window that is currently open, press the Control and switch key simultaneously. To take a snip of only part of the screen, press Control, Shift, and the switch key simultaneously. Select the portion that you would like to take a screenshot of. Once you've taken a screenshot, you will find it by going to the launcher, expanding, navigating to the Files app, and looking in the download section.
Here is a quick review of the keys that you will need to use to take a screenshot. The Control and Switch key takes the screenshot of just your current window or whole screen. The Control, Shift, and Switch key allows you to take a partial screenshot, and you will select the area you want to capture. And again, screenshots automatically save to the Downloads folder in the Files app found in the launcher. If you would like to keep the screenshot or the snip, you will need to save it in your Google Drive. You will continue to learn about your Chromebook throughout the year, but the touchpad and keyboard are a great place to start.